Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights into the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone experiencing the discomfort of a dry, sore throat. Introducing Boiron ThroatCalm Tablets, the ultimate remedy for soothing relief. If you've ever suffered from the annoyance of a scratchy throat, you know just how debilitating it can be. But fear not, because ThroatCalm tablets are here to save the day. With their unique blend of homeopathic ingredients, these tablets are specifically designed to provide fast-acting relief from minor throat irritations. One of the things that sets ThroatCalm apart is its quick-dissolving formula. Unlike traditional throat lozenges that require swallowing, these tablets simply melt in your mouth, making them ideal for anyone who struggles with swallowing pills or has a sensitive throat. With countless satisfied customers and a reputation for reliability, it's no wonder ThroatCalm tablets are considered the best remedy for dry, sore throats on the market today. Plus, they're affordable, making them accessible to everyone in need of relief. So there you have it, folks. If you're tired of suffering from the discomfort of a dry, sore throat, do yourself a favor and give Boiron ThroatCalm tablets a try. Your throat will thank you. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy soothing.